too much. You are a crazy girl. Go then. Porridge. Nice and warm. Let's see if this is going to be my winter breakfast. It's a little bit plain. It's not even completely dry yet. Probably not a good idea to put it in direct sunlight, right? I even wanted to give it another coat. This thing is not going to be finished before Christmas. We have enough other stuff to do. That's not the problem. Where did our white stick go? I hope that dried before all the sawdust got on there. Maybe not. And we cannot put that in until the threshold is in, because, well, we can put this one in, but the other one I want to attach them together, the one with the brush. Then I only have to drill like, and I have to screw it only one time together. I think it's still good enough though. You don't even see it. Only the top part is. That's good enough. Going the right way, the opposite way. So this is righty loosey, lefty tighty. So you cannot actually put a smaller blade, right? Because it's not going to cut all the way through the wood. I wanted to try another blade because this thing was smoking, was burning the wood. I think it's also for like very thick. I looked on the internet to find blades, but they don't even sell this thing anymore at Leroy Merlin. So I don't think it was any good. It's like their home brand. Home brand, is that how you say it? They actually produce it from Dexter Power. Okay, so we don't have another blade. does work. Did it come with something that I can put on here for the right measurement or what? It's all from a circular saw that I don't have anymore. Really, a lot of stuff I have no idea what it was anymore. These are all guide rails, but not for this thing, I think. Only with this thing, but that's like for really long beams. I want it to be somewhere over here. I think we're just gonna put it in like this. I'm done with it. You should get that out. No, I'll leave it. You should get that out. Now what are we going to attach it with? Sealing and bonding. If it never had to come off again, then I would suggest this expanding foam that we have for roof tiles. Because that sticks with everything. But it might need to come off at some point again. When we're going to transform that room. Or work on the outside patio. There's not much useful in there anymore. What do we have here? It's probably also not usable anymore. Universal silicone. What did we use that for? This we used for the kitchen. So that might adhere, but not meant for bonding. Okay, then it is going to be this stuff. Where's the gun? I also don't remember putting it anywhere. I do remember cleaning it. Oh, here it is. It looks great. But you guys are right. If you want it to last, you need to use hardwood and not this soft pine stuff. And I actually knew that. Not that I thought about it when I was making it, but when you guys said it in the comments, I was like, oh yeah. My parents' place, they were always like hardwood thresholds. So yeah, let's just see how long it lasts. Eventually we're gonna work on this room more when I move out. So probably we're gonna tile a threshold or something. So I'm only gonna put just a little here on the side, because in the middle it's not connecting to anything. That's probably too much. This stuff sticks like crazy. I don't want it on the back of the thing. You good? Looks pretty good. The guys are all dirty. Screws might be a bit too big. See if we can find something else. That's better. Ha! Victory! Finally! Ah, that's great. Great! Great, 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 great. Snazzy. Oh, it looks pretty good.